Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today we will learn fill in the blanks number 6 to 10. So let's start our class. Students, in the previous class we learned fill in the blanks from number 1 to 5, and today we will learn fill in the blanks from number 6 to 10. So let's start our class. There are 5 fill in the blanks here. The first one, there are flowers in the dash. Number 6, just look here, students. There are flowers in the dash. So what will be here? There are flowers in the vase. V-A. So there are flowers in the vase. There are flowers in the vase. Number 6, there are flowers in the vase. Now number 7, there are dash on the bookshelf. There are dash on the bookshelf. There are dash on the bookshelf. So what will be here? There are books on the bookshelf. Okay, so number 7 is there are books on the bookshelf. Number 8, it is a dash little house. It is a dash little house. It is a dash little house. So what will be in the dash? It will be lovely. It is a lovely little house. Lovely means actually very nice. It is a lovely little house. It is a lovely little house. Now number 9. Kazi Nazrul Islam is our national dash. Kazi Nazrul Islam is our national dash. So Kazi Nazrul Islam is our national poet. Kazi Nazrul Islam is our national poet. Number 9, Kazi Nazrul Islam is our national poet. Now number 10, dash is our country. So what's the name of our country? It's Bangladesh. Bangladesh is our country. Number 10 is Bangladesh is our country. So number 6, there are flowers in the vase. There are books on the shelf. It is a lovely little house. Kazi Nazrul Islam is our national poet. And Bangladesh is our country. Students, you have to learn the spelling also. Because there are flowers in the vase. V-A-S-E, vase. There are books on the bookshelf. B-O-O-K-S, books. B-O-O-K-S, books. B-O-O-K-S, books. It is a lovely little house. Lovely. L-O-V-E-L-Y. Lovely. L-O-V-E-L-Y. Lovely. L-O-V-E-L-Y. Lovely. Number 9. Kazi Nazrul Islam is our national poet. P-O-E-T. Poet. P-O-E-T. Poet. P-O-E-T. Poet. Bangladesh is our country. B-A-N-G, Bang, L-A-La, Bangladesh, D-E-S-H, Desh. Bangladesh is our country. And our students, your SW number 7, now I'm giving you SW number 7, from the blanks, it was P, number 6 to 10. This is our SW topic, and that is filling the blanks number 6 to 10. I'm repeating filling the blanks number 6 to 10. That means today's lesson is our SW number 7. Students, that's all for today. Stay safe, stay well. Allah Hafiz.